Okay guys, stay to the end. You're not going to want to miss this. This Wednesday we're having a live free webinar, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, Wednesday. And this webinar is going to be free. Obviously it's going to be about the Legacy Builder program and what you're going to learn at the 2-hour workday. But here's what's really cool. The speakers are the actual six-figure Why do people make it in 12 months? Why did the 7-figure earners make it in 15, 16 months? You're going to hear from these guys. So you're going to actually hear from the people who mentor the digital growth community. We're going to share with you why the Digital Legacy Builder program is the #1 program out there. There's nothing like what we do. There's nothing like our programs. You're not going to want to miss this webinar. It is from the people that are actually doing it, and you're going to learn some tips and tricks. The webinar, please put webinar in the comments if you want to get access. Again, it is going to be so packed. So please register as soon as you can so you can get into that webinar. See you there.